Dogs, they aren't just our furry friends, but they're also man's best friend, and it's not easy to get a tag like that. Forget about this privileged pooch right here who's been inside the house. I have a lot of stray dogs which I have adopted outside, and they have in fact done more work than these dogs that we have at home. Yes, I do not say that human lives aren't important. Yes, rabies is a very big issue. Yes, dog bites are not a joke. But is the Supreme Court's ruling of trying to put all of them into the shelters, it is not the silver bullet, and is it right, is what I've discussed in this week's column.